Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Asana account. So the first thing you want to do is to simply open up your browser and simply head over to asana.com, and it's going to take you over to the official website of Asana. Now to get started is super easy. Just simply click and get started, and you'll be able to easily go ahead and enter your company email if you want to use it via company way, or you can go ahead and use your Gmail account. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a Gmail, so I'm going to continue with Gmail right here. So select Gmail, continue right here, and you will see that it's going to sign me right into Asana. Now I'm going to just wait a moment here for it to set up my account. And as you can see, it basically asks me my name. I'm going to just leave it as Drew Toots. If you have an image, you can upload your photo right here. So I'm going to just simply choose, okay, let me just add my photo, and I'm going to just find a picture of myself. Hey, let's use this funny one of myself here. Do it in here. I'm going to just upload that photo. And this is my account. Now, of course, I don't have a bullet, but this was something that I did with AI to remove my hair, and that looked kind of funny, right? But in fact, I've tried this 1 year, I remember, and it wasn't so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and click and continue from here. And from here, you want to choose your role. So I can just say, for example, I'm a freelancer. I can just click here again. I'm just gonna say whatever. Let's say education professional, for example. And here you says, what do you want to use Asana for? Just choose whatever, right? I'm gonna say course planning, for example, right? Then click and continue. Here you can choose to, let's say, integrate some tools. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna just say, for example, Gmail. For example, if I want to connect Gmail, I can go ahead, I can say Google Drive, I can just say whatever, you can say Slack, you can choose whatever you want, right? GitHub and all those different stuff, right? Canva, whatever, Notion, etc., etc., etc. Click and continue. And from here, you want to go ahead by starting by creating a project. So from here, it says, let's set you up a project. I'm going to just say yes. I'm going to call this one Drew project, for example. Let's call it Drew Tuts, for example, Drew tutorial, and click and continue. Here, you can go ahead and set up a few tasks. So I'm going to just say video ideas as an example. And this one, I'm going to say video editing as an example. And let's say that's it. Click and continue. And from here, you have, for example, let me go back, see if I missed something. No, that's pretty much it. And let's say publish. I want to set it up properly. Publishing on YouTube. Let's say that, right? Then click and continue. And it says, how would you group these tasks into sections or stages? I'm going to just leave it as is and click and continue. And if you want to use a board layout or a time frame layout or a list layout or calendar, let's use a time frame layout as an example and click and continue. Then teammates, you can choose to add teammates, right? Or so forth. You don't have to do it at the moment. So I'm going to just say take me to my project and leave it blank for now. Skip this process here to add teammates, but you can always add teammates later. And that's it. You can choose to get started. It's going to say 14-day trial. You don't need to worry about that. Just simply click X on the upper right hand side. And that's it. You're right into Asana, guys. And that's how you create an Asana account, guys. Very easy and very simple.